Hello, Revit learners. Today we will learn about walls, levels, how insert levels, how change the level sizes, how to insert doors in walls, and how insert windows in walls, how we check the elevations. So let's move and start it now. First click on new. Now we will use default template file. So click OK. Here we will use wall first and make sure the chain option is selected as well. Join status is allow. If the status is disallow, the walls will not join here. We can check this now. Now we will zoom and see the wall corners. These corners are not joined. Again, the same thing is here again. Same is here. And this is also same. It means if we do not use allow option, the walls will not join. So we will select allow. Now we will use wall again and click on wall. Zoom here and we can see all the walls are joined. So external walls we will delete here. Now I will show you the levels. So for level we will choose here the elevation and you can see there walls are above the levels. Here we can add a new level. Just click on the level and now click on copy. Click on levels again back and just move the mouse on above side and click here. Now we will back to on level 1. Here we will add the door. First click on architecture tab. Now click on door. Here we see different sizes of the door. Also we have the option of insert different doors here. But first we will have to load from family. We have multiple options of door sizes. Also we can different doors by using load family. Just click on load family now and this is the option. You can see doors. Here are different types of doors we can see there. Also we have some doors in residentials. So it's our choice and we can use here single or a double door. So select it, double door, and size we will choose 60 by 80. Okay, just put it there for our corner. Click on 3D. Now you can see the door here. We will add another door, a single door on the side. Click on door again. Click here and other door. Click on 3D again. And if we see it in elevation, just click on south. You can see there two different types of doors. Now we will go back on level 1 and just add the windows now. Just click on windows and we will see different types of windows there. Just select this one and put there. Now click on 3D and you see a window there. Just click on window and select this flip option. Click on it and now you will see window like this there. Again level 1, click on window and press space bar and this will move again. Here you can see. I press space bar. Okay, if we select the south elevation, it will show like this. We can change the sill height from there like 2 feet. Applied and windows there. Now we can change the size of window like this 30 by 40 and the window size change. If we change the window, just click on there and select the option this one. Now you can see windows height. It's look bigger, so we'll use smaller 34 by 30, 36 and now the window will look like this. Again click on window and put the sill height as 3 feet. It is our elevation. If we check on other option, other elevation, it's north. Just double click on it and you will see it's blank because we did not put anything here. Just we move on level 1 and put a door here. Select size 36 by 84 and just click on architecture and select a window. Full bigger size of window. Just click on here and now modify and 3D you can see now. If we check on north, it will look like this and now we will select 2 and it will move down. It will show like this. So this is our 3D model with windows and doors, and we learn how window sizes could be changed, how door sizes could be changed, how windows types could be changed, and how doors types could be changed. So it is very interesting and we have a lot of options for this. You will see in the future lectures, in future tutorials. For today, it's enough for learning, especially for beginners. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any question, please feel free. I will answer you for sure in the next tutorial. Stay in touch. Keep learning with Basim. Thank you very much.